It started raining early Thursday morning, and the hurricane hit Friday, but we got north of 30 inches of rain in that short time period. All of a sudden, triggered the landslides, triggered the debris flows going into the rivers, triggered the flooding that happened. So when the storm hit, it was just, well, we've got all the people and we've got all the equipment. Now we can go make a difference and help. Emery Paving was formed in 1949. My brother and I are fourth generation. We've grown it just like every generation before us. Our main focus is road work and highway work. We've done a lot of emergency repairs, but we've never done any hurricane relief work. And this is the first hurricane in my lifetime that affected the roads and the infrastructure to the degree that it did. Every road that was near water was affected and washed out. The big push early on was just to get a road back. And as soon as they started getting those roads built back and the lanes back, that's when we came in and started putting a surface that people could drive on back on the road. We started paving on November 1st of 2024, and we were trying to do it like it was July and trying to get the same amount of production and tonnage on the ground that we do in the middle of the summer. As we pushed into December, we really had to start changing the way we did things. You're just not meant to pave in January in Western North Carolina. There's nothing you could do about it except put your head down and just keep moving forward. We couldn't do that without the asphalt plant, and they've done an outstanding job of keeping our crews fed with material. It's not normal for an asphalt plant to fire up when it's 18 degrees outside. They've just been a great partner in helping us achieve the goals that we've set out to achieve.
This being a new plant here, it helped us out tremendously because it's more modern and it's more apt to deal with the winter conditions. These silos, each one of them carry 300 tons of hot mix asphalt. Emery stepped up and he put a lot of trucks on. We coordinated to get him his material up there.
Unexpected challenges happen daily. So we decided to take the risk of loading our material before the crew even got to the job site. At the end of the day, I knew that I could load out those trucks, even though nobody had been to the roller or the paver to start it. But I knew that once you hit the start button on a cat paver, it's going to start, because it's never not.
Cat pavers have been very, very reliable, pretty operator friendly, and cat equipment helps us on a daily basis achieve our goals at the end of the day.
We provide to Emery Paving is mainly product support. Parts and service is a really big deal right now, especially with the type of work they're doing in this area, getting people back on track and getting these roads reopened.
This equipment, if it worked 10 hours a day, it's been working 10 hours a day. Very little idle time. We've really pushed the equipment. The reliability and the ease that it has on me to know that the equipment is not going to be your problem for the day, because you're going to have all kinds of problems, but the equipment's not going to be one of them. Every road's critical. It leads to someone's house, it leads to someone's work, it leads to someone's grandparent, it leads to someone's son. I truly feel that every road that we're working on is a critical road. We're putting it down and we're making the roads look good, and people are happy with us, and we're getting thumbs up and thank yous